Veteran BJP leader Uma Bharti has interestingly opted out of the Bhumi Pujan Ram Mandir event. She was part of the invitee list but has now said that she doesn't want to be invited. Uma Bharti, a stalwart of the Ram Temple movement, tweeted saying that she would travel to Ayodhya but avoid the groundbreaking event on Wednesday as a precaution against coronavirus. Bharti said that she's decided to skip the rituals at Ayodhya to protect Prime Minister Modi and thousands of others at the site. Now, she added that she would visit the temple only after everyone left at a later date. India Today earlier reported that keeping in mind the coronavirus SOPs, veteran leaders like Lal Krishna Advani and Murli Manohar Joshi will join via video conference. No union ministers or chief ministers also have been invited. So let's also take this across to our reporters on the ground. Uma Bharti has confirmed there that she is not going to be attending the event in Ayodhya. Hemender is joining us live from Bhopal. We've also got Shivendra, who is getting us all the latest updates from Ayodhya. Hemender, to you first. We understand now that Uma Bharti has said she will not be a part of this event. It'll be interesting to see if there will be other leaders also who take a similar stand.
Well, yes, Uma Bharti has now made it clear. In fact, as you rightly mentioned earlier, she was one of the top three leaders who were part of the Ram Janambhoomi movement that was led by Lal Krishna Advani, and of which Mr. Murli Manohar Joshi was also a part. So these two leaders are joining this event by video conferencing, and Uma Bharti was invited, but she has now tweeted out saying that because of the coronavirus, she wants to protect everyone, and also the fact that the Home Minister has got affected, Chief Minister of Southern State has got affected, Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh is also in hospital, so she has decided not to be part of the event, and has also said that she would be visiting the temple after the event is over.
Okay, Hemender, stay with us. Let me take this across also to Shivendra. He's getting us all the updates from Ground Zero in Ayodhya. Shivendra, a lot of questions about the event in 2 days from now. Considering we're dealing with a pandemic here, it's still going to be a very, very grand event. Who's attending now and who isn't? Are there other leaders like Uma Bharti who've decided to stay away?
See, there is no official confirmation from any other leader other than Uma Bharti as of now. But the fact is that administration and trust is taking extra precautions just because of this corona pandemic across the state, not only in Ayodhya, because rising cases are keeping them worrying. That's why yesterday General Secretary of this trust, Champat Rai, clearly said that guest list is reduced to 170 only. Earlier they were supposed to go around 300 guests for this event, but now they will reduce to 170 guests, and they'll also be seated 6 feet at least apart from each other, and in 40 square feet area there will be one guest under that pandal where performance of this puja will be done by PM Narendra Modi. In the meantime, all the preparations are being done in Ayodhya. Roads are roadside houses are painted in yellow. Okay. There are gates are being made across Ayodhya, and security is beefed up. Lots of prayers and pujas are going in different temples in Ayodhya, and everything is in place. But the biggest threat is coronavirus pandemic. That's why administration and trust is taking the precautionary measures, and they are giving SOPs to every person, be it guests or people in duty, especially policemen and trust members as well.
Right.
They have laid strict standard operating procedures for the event, and they are not allowed to deviate from these protocols. So now Ayodhya is all geared up, prepared for that big day event on 5th of August.
And the Prime Minister's confirmed that he is going to be there. We'll have to see who else will be attending the event in 2 days from now. Shivendra and Hemender, thank you for getting us all the details on that story.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.